Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to fix ankle pain, okay? So many people sprain their ankle or they have pain, and now unless it's broke, then you would have to go get it casted or fixed. If it's not broke, then you can do this technique and it's very, very effective. So let me show you how to fix ankle pain. Check this out. Okay, so here's what you want to do. If the person hurts on the right ankle, you work on the left calf and the front part of the muscle. It's called the anterior tibialis. So you're going to work on the opposite side, always. If the person has pain in the ankle on the left side, you work on the right side. So always work on the opposite side. Do not work on the same side. And what you're going to do is first thing you do is take the calf and strip it down. You're going to massage the calf muscle on the back part all the way down to the bottom part of the Achilles tendon. And you're going to just work up and down and work all that out. And you're going to have the person move this ankle and it's like, oh my gosh, the pain's going away, right? So you're going to work the back part, but because the dynamic of the joint usually doesn't affect one muscle, you want to work on the front part of the muscle too. So you're going to work on this muscle. It's not right in the center, it's off to the side slightly. It's this muscle right through in here. You're going to work on this. And what I mean by work on it is massage this muscle. It's called the anterior tibialis, all the way down to the ankle. And you're going to just work that up and down for maybe about a minute or two, and then the calf as well. And then you're going to ask the person, how's that feel? And it's going to be probably 50% better. And then you're going to say, good, let me do it again. And you're going to work up a little bit deeper and find the knots on the opposite side. But here's a little trick. What you want to do is you want to ask the person, as you go down, to tell me where the most tender spot is. And she'll probably go right about there, right? So then you're going to work on that side, because the spots that are the most tender are the points that are compensating the most, that need to be worked out. Because when you damage that side, this side compensates. So you're removing all the tension, the muscle spasm, and you're going to basically get a lot of relief. If you're by yourself, you might want to use either this tool or another tool to rub down on the front part and push on the back part, because sometimes it's hard to use your own thumbs. But you can strip it down until right up until the bottom part of the Achilles tendon, down here into the ankle, come right up through in here, and watch how fast that pain goes away. It's that simple. So opposite side, front and back. That's all you need to do. Put your comments below. Press the subscribe button. Just press this button right here, subscribe. Okay, that one right there. Just do it right now. What's the next part? What am I going to say? And where am I going with this? Press the subscribe button. Forgot the last part. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.